Well, we've got the crossover vise here. The crossover arm, I'm going to show you, give you a quick run through on it. It's 4 holes, bolt it down. This nut would come off, back it off, open it up, bolt it down. That's your access to bolt it. I'll show you what you can do. Here's our vise plate with your vise on it. Oh. No other vise like can do that. Spin all the way around. Loosen her up, bring it forward, put it wherever you want. Okay? So it'll take a lot of weight. It'll take a lot of weight. So, knocker, bring it up. This pin here is your safety pin. It'll keep, if you have a lot of weight up on this guy, or anything, a big, huge wood carving, this will keep it from dropping down if someone does loosen it up. It has 2 positions. You can put it right in the upper one. This way it can't go anywhere. Pull it out tightly. Lower this guy all the way down. Always lock it. Open it. Quarter turn, open it. Put it where you want. Lock it. Lock it. Beautiful part of this whole deal for you is that in 2 seconds you can get rid of your vise, drop in a piece of wood carving or piece of art. We make the posts for the wood turners. Put your end plate on there or your chuck, drop it in, lock it. Put it where you want. Very solid little deal. This here is the crossover arm. Crossover, the vise knuckle. Put that wherever you want it. Lock it. Tilt it. Level it. This knuckle here will take your work. If you happen to be in a chair or on a stool where you got a bad leg, you can't stand up for long, there you go. Or you want to get it up. You want to level it out. That's what that's all about. Or I could do this. Okay? Let's take him out of there. Now, you have a pin in there. Reason for that pin. When if you go vertical with this guy, this pin will keep it all the weight from dropping down. So you can loosen that up and adjust your work here. You can pull this guy out. Put in, this happens to be our large wood carver's plate. 6 holes in there for you to fasten it to your work. Slide it in, lock it. That could be a taxidermy mount or a piece of metal art or what have you. Again, I can put it where I want. I can lock it, and I can spin it anywhere I want. And this will hold a lot of weight, tremendous amount of weight. So there you have that. Okay, let's take this guy. Boom, that's easy. That's how quick and easy she goes. Here's our welder's plate, 1/4 inch, 14 by 22. I can lock it, I can spin it, I can lock my work onto there, clamp it on, and spin it and weld it, do whatever I want to do. I can tilt this guy down. I can go all the way down. I can come here, I can go all the way up. I can go here. Whatever comfortable, lock it. Now I can put my work on there, lock it, clamp it and weld it. Great quick little deal. Put it aside.